What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here again, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Got another property in the city of Canton on the northeast end. It's a single family, 3-bed, bath, colonial style home. Thinking about acquiring. Got to find out if this lot goes with it, but we'll find that out during our due diligence period. Decent sized home. It's definitely going to need some attention. Again, guys, we are definitely looking to acquire a number of properties. Probably a couple dozen properties this year we're thinking about acquiring. So if you or somebody you know in the Akron, Canton area or anywhere in the surrounding suburbs that has a house they want to sell, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220. We will purchase in as-is condition, so you don't have to make any repairs. You can reach us at www.investparamount.com or just call me directly, 330-685-2220.